And we're in an area of Yemen called Abdala at the moment, and this community have literally just a few days ago come and pitched these tents here because the area which they're from, mainly Al-Hajar and Al-Fakhar, has been affected by the war completely. You can see the conditions that they're living in are very, very difficult indeed. Let me just give you an example. There's very visible malnutrition here amongst the children. You can see they're in difficult conditions. Subhanallah. We need urgently, we need water tanks. We need food for the communities here. We need some mattresses for them to sleep on. These are the main things at the moment until we look into the other areas like the medical care and the other longer term areas, inshallah. So please, brothers and sisters, please show some mercy. Even though Ramadan is gone, it's no excuse not to help the people of Yemen out. These people just 3 weeks ago were living in their homes, they were comfortable, and then war came, their homes have been bombed, their livelihoods have been destroyed, and now they have nobody to help. So we want to do as good as possible, inshallah. We want to make sure that support goes to these people. We want to make sure that the situation is increased. At the moment they're having to walk a very, very long way just to get water. They have no storage facilities for water, and they have very, very little access to food. This is just one example of many examples of the situation of the people here in Yemen. Please, brothers and sisters, help your brothers and sisters in Yemen. These people have suffered so much. It's about time that they had some happiness and relief. Today is the second day of Eid. This is their Eid in conditions like this. Subhanallah. Please give generously and donate what you can. We're going to be here performing the assessments and making sure the most needy people are helped and receive your support. Jazakum Allah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yalla awlad, qul lahum Eid Mubarak. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Yalla qulu Eid Mubarak. ما شاء الله. كل عام وانتم بخير من العايدين والفايزين. آمين آمين آمين. سبحان الله. ما فيش فراشات، ما معناش حاجة، محتاجين جاوعين عاطشين. إن شاء الله نساعد على القدر الاستطاع إن شاء الله، وسامحونا على التقصير لكن احنا موجودين معكم إن شاء الله بالعافية. الله يحفظك. وادعوا للمساهمين هناك والمساعدين ان شاء الله. الله يحفظك. امين 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 امين. امين يا رب. محتاجين الله يستر عليكم. امين يا رب. امين. جزاكم الله خير.